Spend time with your family, spend time with your wife, spend time with your children. You say no, wait till children go eat. Before 5 a.m. in the morning, you don't come out. They come back at 9 where children don't sleep. Today when they say make you sit down for house, you die. Today when you sit down for house, children no chop. Igbo man. They say me sit down at their para. The video one of the see so now umuyota. For those of now sabi Umuahia very well. Now it be this. Everywhere just clear. Everywhere clear. Even some people were there, I don't know what they find up. So Umuahia people now know they hear word. Hey. Umuahia people una know they hear word. Una too stubborn. See as everywhere good. Today when you rest, your body go even thank you. Your body go say, thank you. Oh, what make you sit down? Your body go they thank you. They thank person who ask you to sit down for house. Your body go they thank you. They thank the person who give you lockdown today. Because you know they rest. Every day now you go they find what the children go eat. Make no go kill yourself. No go kill yourself where the day. Even Governor Wike, even Neokezik Bazo we say in no Ipob there Abia State, but he no say ESM full Abia State. That one I called the answer whether he still they feel fine. Because I see the talk, you know they feel fine for my make sense. Person how you go to say ESN there Abia State, but no Ipob member there. Who be ESN, no be Ipob? Now I say make a show now the situation of things as I dey check out. If you sabi this road where we go see say it a day too busy, but today this how it looks to show you say Odogu aborono guy name. E what I go Odogu bodogu under normal circumstances. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no fit talk make everybody sit down for house. He get do so because we dey federal for Nigeria, but because Nigeria don't jaga everything don't scatter. That make their guy, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, don't earn people trust. So whatever that guy talk, they obey. Whatever the guy talk, everybody don't listen. Because he don't gain people trust. He don't show people say if he sacrifice anything sacrificable. Now he make, no be juju, my people. No be juju. If you dey do everything, anything we do for this life, make you dey straightforward. Now you go earn people trust. You understand? For those of you who now west sabi this road, we can live and make una watch more. This video not too long ago, but if you never subscribe to this channel, consider subscribing. Make we dey carry the thing they go. Now all of us now we be Ipob member, IPOB one family. Make you subscribe, make you share. I go see you now for the next one. Okay? Make una stay well. Man, I no look for trouble. Everything go better. Everything go soft. Understand? Biafra go come very, very soon. You go get Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Bye-bye.
Now, good evening. This is now Umuahia. Umuahia now the capital city of Abia State. And normally when I go, they surprise say people know they waka. Curfew they start at 8 p.m. But this one are 7 minutes past 7 p.m. And what happened we say a few minutes ago, we hear say they don't put the state CID where they Umuagu day within Umuahia, just at the outskirts of Umuahia. Now there Umuagu day, and everybody don't run, come out, because then they fear, they don't know what they happen. Normally, as they see this road now Aba road, popular Aba road. Now this road you go past, go all the other streets where they Umuahia. But now everybody don't tear race. Few minutes ago, nobody even dey street because shooting dey everywhere. As police, soldiers, all of them full street, just they shoot because of that state CID where they on fire. People just they run, scatter. They run, scatter, they tear race, they go their way. They don't dey house. As you see now, this place, this junction where we dey, now there leads to Umudike Popular University. Students they dey here for evening, go they find motor. As you can see now, people don't run, they don't tear race, they don't come out, nobody dey there. Even the motorway they pass, none of them won't stop. As you can see, I dey try go down towards FMC side now. Commercial keke tricycle where they always waka till about 8 p.m. when curfew dey start. Now only few of them dey road. We no know, but fear dey everybody body, tension dey everywhere. See that pharmacy where they that side, they don't lock. Now just past 7. People there outside they won't buy. Like I say, then they attend to them first. But then they attend to them outside the gates. They see them. That pharmacy, they see them. Because then they fear, they don't know what if it happen next. Now so it be now. Everybody they live in fear. Because nobody know what if it happen. But I feel confirmed to you say the state CID, they don't burn them. They don't burn the state CID. And just yesterday, the state government been organized security summit too. Security summit will last like 3 days because of the prevailing security situation where they the state. They just they burn INEC office, they burn police station up and down. And this place where we did so now, the state capital, Umuahia. If you walk past this road now, go up. Now there lead to government house. You see them? Now just past 7, everybody don't tear it. Make I show you the poster of the security summit. Now just yesterday the security summit end, where then gather all the retired and serving security operatives for the states. Then gather all of them together. I say make them put minds together, share idea, give the governor what they fit do concerning security in the state. Then finish that one yesterday. And all of them dispersed. But just today now, this evening, like an hour ago, an hour 30 minutes ago, then set state CID on fire. This road now where they pass through, now then lead to government house. You go see say motor they pass, but they no plenty. Motor they pass, the motorway they pass no plenty because everybody don't run come out. Businesses don't close for this kind of time. Now the situation report for Umuahia now. The place where that state CID they where them born, not too far from here, but it is risky small to reach that place. Now where everything done set, people still they fear. Even the civil defense people where they are along about road, the way on where I show you just now. The guy they shoot tear gas way, then use disperse people, make everybody they go house. Now the situation report for Umuahia now be this. Now the situation report be this. Resident don't scamper for safety. People don't tear race. See as it dead like middle of the night. Because of where thing happened a few minutes ago. So now the situation report be that. We go still they bring updates as events take the unfold for this place to you. This is now Umuahia, the capital city of Abia State, and this road now leads to government house. The government house where the governor they sit down, they stay. You see as they deserted. This one are just 12 minutes past 7 p.m.